Yeah, so I'm currently wearing the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. They are connected to my phone, as you'll see here. And you'll see that it's called RB Meta 001N. And that's a lame name. So I want to show you how you can change that name inside of the Meta AI app, which is this. So to change the name, super simple. Select your glasses, hit the settings icon, go to General, and then go to About. And then if you go into name, you can see that we have the option to add in whatever we want to name them. So I'll call them Trays AI Ray. Is Ray-Bans one word or two words? I don't know. There we go. So Trays AI Ray-Bans, that's much better. Now when I go back, let's see if it has updated. They have not. I bet you once I disconnect and reconnect, these glasses will be named properly in my Bluetooth settings. But you can see that. This is now named Trace AI Ray-Bans. And that is how we're going to change the name on these glasses. So I hope this helps. If it does, if you could, like and subscribe. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.